Let's see about doing a quick demonstration of the radio control I use for my pump. First thing that any cellar worker or wine maker notices when they come in my cellar is where is the control on your pump. You can see there's even mounting holes on this beautiful cart Prospero made, but there's no controller on it. You'd have to follow the cord, oops, sorry, too fast, up to the wall. Over here on the wall is my controller, which is also an inverter. I've got one single phase, it's awful moldy over here, time to clean up. Single phase 220 going in, and it comes out the black cord, 3-phase. Simply turn it on. I always put my radio handset on top. Mine's been used so much that the worst part about these is this pad on the top will eventually wear out and expose it. So I put a piece of electrical tape on top of it. You hit on, you might be able to hear the click that goes on inside the controller when you do that. That just turns the radio on is all it does. This one is up as originally marked. This one is down, east and west. So if you hit up, it'll start the pump. You hit it again, it'll go faster. Hold down, it'll continue to go faster until it's all the way full speed. Down, I'll gradually bring it down, or same thing, you can hang on to it and it'll go all the way to shut off. Simple as that. Should have been starting in the east, that's the way it's defaulted. Hit west, it'll slow down, it'll reverses, goes back right up to the same speed in the opposite direction. It's a good idea on pumps like this, a flexible impeller, to switch it while it's running. Gives it a little bit of inertia, momentum to actually switch the pump over. Sounds like a nicety. This has got about, I think I've got 30 feet of cord on here. The one I'm selling has that much on it. I also have an extension cord. I'll run that extension cord through an air vent over there. It goes upstairs and outside. Controller's still down here. Radio works from outside. Works from 300 feet away. I don't ever need to get that far away with the pump, but it does work that far away. Being that powerful, it helps it when you go into the dark caverns of this other part of the cellar. You can be all the way back there working with wine, be at the top of the tank watching its level. You can be all the way at the top of these tanks watching their level. After you climb the catwalk using this controller, and it just bounces around and finds its way back over to that thing. Works very well anywhere I'm in here. It is possible if you were back behind one of these tanks, it's not going to get a signal out of it very well, but from the top of one of these tanks it works just fine. And that's my pump controller.